today we'll be talking about alignment group. Alignment group. What do you understand by alignment? That is alignment in Microsoft Word. Alignment is the arrangement of text. That is, it determines the appearance and orientation of the edges of the paragraphs. For example, now let's say for example there is a letter, and in letter we have addresser and addressee, whereby you want to adjust this from here down here. This you want to address it to the right, letters, formal letters like that. So now, first of all, what are the first thing you're going to do? The first thing you will do is that you highlight the text you want to arrange. If this will be moving to the right, like I said, alignment is the arrangement of text. We can call it the movement of text. That is, I want to take this, I want to take it to this side, which is my right hand side. How do you do that? You come to your home tab. Under your home tab, you come to your paragraph group. Can you see your paragraph group? This is your paragraph group. Now on your paragraph group we have the alignment. Here we have the left, the center, the right, and the justify. This is the left, that is to make the arrangement to the left side. This is the center, this is the right. So I want this address to come to my right hand side so that I can have a formal letter. After highlighting, the next thing I'll do is I come to my paragraph group and I click on my right alignment. Can you see? Now don't forget, this is already at your left hand side. Let's say for example you just want to, in case of, you can just try and do this to bring it at right. I want to take it back to the left. You see, it's not at the left. Now the center alignment. The center alignment is majorly, that is, I want to centralize. I want to make it center. I want to make it at the center. What we're going to do is that you highlight your text, then this middle you come to your center. So now another thing is the justify. The justify alignment, it aligns text to both the left and the right margins. That is the justify. It aligns text to both the left and the right margins, adding extra space. That is, adding extra space between words as necessary. That is, this helps in creating a clean look along the left and right side of your page. So it's not on the left, it should just be at a proper state. At the proper state, it gives a clean document. It helps in giving the document. For example, let's say I want to this one, is not text. Let's say I want to have a body text. I just want to highlight this for an example. Let's say I'm copying this okay, let me just make this as probably my body text. Let me make use of this as my body text. So now let's suppose Smith, let me just come up with something, is the director of marketing. Let's say we are having this kind of text at Widgets International. This will also address full stop. So let's say Mr. Paul Smith, for example. This is just an example. Mr. Paul Smith is a very jovial man and an accommodating man. Full stop, for example. So now if you observe, this is not actually clean. Let me say I'm having more. Let me have more text so that it can look beautiful. Let me have more text. Let's say I'm having this kind of text. Now if you observe, this is not actually clean. If you check this side, this is my right side, it doesn't look too clean. So how do we do that? It doesn't look too clean. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to highlight. So we are not taking this to the left, we are not taking it to the right, we are not taking it to the center. We just want this to have a clean look. You highlight, then you come to your paragraph group, then you click on justify. If you observe, this now looks so clean. It looks so clean and beautiful. That is the work of alignment. That is, in this case now, we've done aligning to the right, aligning to the left, aligning to the center, and also the justify alignment. See you in the next video for another episode on tutorials about other things, especially about Microsoft Word, so that we can finish it. Thank you, and make sure you watch to the end. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment.